Hello, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, I will guide you through the process of enabling augmented reality in the Microsoft Edge mobile app. Augmented reality is an exciting feature that enhances your browsing experience by integrating virtual elements with the real world. Let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Edge app on your mobile device. Next, look for the three-line menu icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it. Then, scroll down and select Settings from the menu options. After that, proceed by tapping on Site Settings. Following this, click on Site Permissions to view the list of available permissions. Finally, find and tap on Augmented Reality. Now, toggle the switch to turn on Augmented Reality permissions. This will allow supported websites to use augmented reality features directly within Microsoft Edge on your mobile device. To sum up, enabling augmented reality in Microsoft Edge is quick and easy when you follow these steps carefully. Try it out and explore new interactive web experiences. Thanks for watching,